Hello everyone, welcome back to online maths hub. Okay, so we're gonna be solving this problem over here. Okay, so we have 2 power x plus 1 and then 2 power 3 minus x is equal to 17. Okay, so I'm just going to be using the rule of indices to split this. Of course, you know that from indices I can write this one as 2 power x and then multiply by 2 power 1. Okay, so this one I can write it as 2 power 3 and then multiply by 2 power negative x over here, and then it is equal to 17. Okay, so moving on, 2 power 1 is actually 1, so 2 times 2 power x, I'm going to be having something like this, 2 times 2 power x right here. And then this one I can write these 2 power negative x as 1 over 2 power x. Okay, and of course it's equal to 7. So to make the work easier for me, I'm just going to set 2 power x to be equal to, let's say, b, so that I now have that this is 2 times b, which is 2b. Okay, so this one is 2 times b, which is 2b, and then plus 2 power 8. 2 power 3 is 8, so I'm going to write 8 there, multiplied by 1 over 2 power x, we set it to be b, so write it, it's equal to 17. Okay, so this is actually 2b plus 8 over b is equal to 17. Okay, so moving on, what I'm going to do then is just to clear this fraction over here. So I'm going to multiply through by b. So b multiplied by 2b, we have 2b squared, plus b multiplied by this one to cancel this b. So I have 8 is equal to b multiplied by 17 will give you 17b. Okay, then what I'm going to be having, I'm going to bring this 17b to the left hand side, so that I now have 2b squared, and then when it comes here, minus 17b plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so I now have a quadratic equation. Okay, so you can see it's factorizable, so I'm just going to find two numbers that when I sum them, it gives me negative 17, and then when I multiply them, it gives me 16b squared. And of course, the two numbers are just minus 16 and then minus 1. Okay, so if you multiply both of them, you have positive 16, and then when you sum them, you have negative 17. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I want to take a different route. So I'm going to divide this because of these two right here, so that I will have the coefficient of b squared to be equal to 1. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and then I'll divide this by 2, so that I now have that this is equal to minus 8 and then minus 1 over 2. So once I've got this, I am going to simplify this to be a b minus 8. Okay, and then b minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So using the 0 product rule, you can see that b minus 8 is equal to 0, or b minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So obviously you can see that these two things now give me that b is equal to 8, or that b is equal to 1 over 2. But don't forget, we actually set b to be equal to 2 power x. So for b equal to 8, we're going to be having 2 power x to be equal to 8, which implies that 2 power x is equal to 2 power 3, and obviously you can see there that these two can actually cancel these two, and then x is equal to 3. Okay, so for b equal to minus 1, okay, for b equal to minus 1 over 2, for b equal to 1 over 2, that is for this, for b equal to 1 over 2, this will now imply that 2 power x is equal to, I can write 2 power 2 as 2 power negative 1, so I can cancel the base, and then I'll equate the power, which obviously you can see that x here is equal to minus 1. So you can see the value of x right here, minus 1, and then this one, my x equal to 3. These are the two values of x that satisfy this equation you are seeing right here. Of course, you can go ahead to check it out. If we put x to be equal to 3 right here, so we are going to be having 3 plus 1 is actually 4, so 2 by 4, and then plus we put x to be equal to 3 right here, so you are going to be having 2 power 3 minus 3. So we want to find out whether this will give us 17. Okay, so moving on, this is 16. Okay, let me draw this line. 2 power 4 is actually 16 plus 2 power 3 minus 3 is 0, which 2 power 0 is 1. So you can see that 16 plus 1 gives me 17. So 3x equal to 3 actually holds. You can also go ahead to check out x for x to be equal to minus 1. So you want to put it right here. Let's say for x equal to minus 1. So if you put it over here, you can see that this will now turns to 2 power x minus, that is minus 1 plus 1, okay, plus 2 power, this is 3 minus minus 1. So we want to find out whether this will give us 17. So this is 0, 2 power 0 plus this one is minus times minus is actually plus, so 3 plus 1 is 4, so this is actually 1 plus 16. Obviously it's equal to 17. So you can see that the two values of x actually satisfy this equation. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.